So there's a new nail polish brand in the market and it has potential, alright. I'm not saying this because it's related to Tira. Okay, maybe up to a certain extent that helps, but whoever is behind the essence of it has thought this through and has done his research. I'm talking about Nails Our Way, a private label by Tira launched in the first week of May. They dropped an entire package, like boom. There are 4 different collections of nail polishes. Not just that, there's a base coat, ridge filler, nail hardener, which they are marketing as a top coat, 3 types of removers, 2 kits, and the most interesting of them all is Cutie Care, which is a cuticle softener. I'll be talking about all these other products in my next video, like a part 2, so be sure to hit that subscribe button. Okay, this is all that I have bought to try out. I've picked up 2 shades from each range so that I know what we are looking at here. Let's start with the packaging first. There's nothing new with the bottle shape. We have seen this before. The shade name is printed on the side. The collection name is on the front with a little icon. The bottle cap though has a cool print, which is their logo. So I was like, looking at the Cutie Care packaging and I saw the logo there and I was like, wait, so that's what the design is. It makes total sense. The pricey polishes like the Gell Well, base coat, etc. have a silver bottle cap. Everything else is just the same. Now, one thing about me, I look at the brush of a nail polish before buying. Like, it's a really important factor for me to consider, and these polishes have a beautiful brush. The curve, the thickness, it's the kind that makes application easy, and you'll notice that when we get to the swatches. Now let's talk a little bit about the 4 collections. We have Gell Well, Treat Coat, Breathe Away, and Swift Dry. The formula is vegan, cruelty-free, and 21 free, which means that the polishes are free from 21 toxic ingredients that nail polishes usually contain. If we talk about the total shades, Gell Well has 66, Treat Coat 30, Breathe Away 20, and Swift Dry 50. Even though a couple of colors looked meh, it was still very difficult for me to pick just 8 from the entire lot, which by the way has chromes, pearls, glitters, etc. finishes. It's a mix. The price range is $195 to $275. Now each collection has a different core feature as the name suggests. So let's quickly get to the swatches and talk about the features, see if my expectations are met. So from the entire Gell Well range, I bought these 2. The first one is this soft pink pearly polish. I had no idea this was a pearly polish. I just bought it looking at the shade and I thought it was pretty, but I love it. Next is this pastel green that has multicolor matte glitters in it, and I, without a second thought, added it to cart because I did not have something like this in my collection. Conclusion: Gell Well is supposed to have HD gel gloss like finish. Honestly, I don't know about that. I mean, maybe I should try solid creams from this range because there's nothing HD like in these 2 polishes. Gloss, yes. HD, nope. Next is Treat Coat, and I'm so happy with my picks from the entire range. First is this jelly pink with a sparkling shimmer situation, and oh my god, it's beautiful, it's stunning, it's giving looks like a cinnamon roll, is a cinnamon roll, and I am in love. Again, I did not have anything like this in my collection, so I'm glad I bought it. Next is this green, which reminds me of the shade Albela from Love Child, but this one's more fresh and foresty. I like it. Conclusion: so Treat Coat is to supposedly reduce fragility and breakage. They claim that it contains avocado oil and lemon peel water, but I don't know what to make of this because honestly, any nail polish you apply, it really acts like a protective layer for your nails so they won't break easily. Besides, I don't know why they haven't disclosed the full ingredient list when they should have. So I don't know, what do you guys think? Moving on, we have 2 basic shades from the Breathe Away range, nothing too fancy. Now, as the name suggests, these polishes have a breathable formula. I have heard that such polishes are preferred by people who want a permeable formula, so that the oxygen and water moisture can pass through. This way they do not have to remove nail polish for prayer. Not sure if it's true. According to the brand, this is 2-way permeable technology which facilitates the proper exchange of oxygen and water vapor for optimal performance. Is it just me, or does this sound like BS? I mean, exchange? I think I'd like more information on this. Anyway, the pastels in this collection are pretty. You can check it out if you want. Lastly, we have the Swift Dry polishes, which, let me tell you, aren't really swift dry. I mean, touch dry, sure, but they do take some time to dry. I mean, if you even lightly tap the nail polish after a few minutes, it would probably feel tacky and you'll end up with fingerprint marks. I have tried nail polishes that claim to be quick dry and that actually are, and that is the bar for me for comparison, which is why I feel Swift Dry could have been better. That being said, Ivory Illusion is such a beautiful polish. It's giving glazed donut, no chrome powder needed, just 2 coats of this and you are good to go. Just buy this already and thank me later. Okay, so we have successfully swatched 8 nail polishes, and I hope you found this video helpful so far. Like I said in the beginning of the video, I see potential here because for a brand that has just launched, they sure have come up with something more than just basic creams, and I would love to see what they have in store for us in future. It can give a serious competition to Nykaa. Before you go, I just wanted to remind you that in the next video, we will be talking about their cuticle softener, base coat, top coat remover, and you do not want to miss that. So hit that subscribe button and bye.